Hello friends, this afternoon we're going to focus on the Big 7 as a division method, and we're dividing 402 divided by 3. With the Big 7, we're going to take our house, as some call it, and turn it into a very big 7. So you can see this looks like a 7 over this 402. And pretty much we're multiplying friendly numbers to divide. So 100 is easy to skip count by. 50, 20, 10, 5, and some do 2 and 1, and some only do 1. Either way, whatever works for you. These are our friendly numbers that are easy to skip count by. So I'm taking 3, multiplying times one of my friendly numbers to get as close as I can to 402, my dividend. So I know that 3 times 100 can be done without going over. So I'm going to say 3 times 100, and I'm going to keep it to the side because eventually I'm going to add up all my findings. So 3 times 100 is 300. I subtract, and I'm left with 102. Well, the question I normally ask is, can we do another 100? Can we do 3 times 100? And the answer is no, because 300 is larger than this 102. So I can't do this anymore. With background knowledge, I know 3 times 5 is 15, and adding a 0, that would be 150. So that's still too much. So we're going to try 3 times 20. We're going to put a 20 over here. 3 times 2 is 6, and add a 0. So that is going to be 102 minus 60. So 2 minus 0 is 2. I have to borrow or regroup. This turns into 10. 10 minus 6 is 4, so I'm left with 42. Now, I know I can't do another 20 because that would give me 60, and I'm at 42. But we can do 3 times 10 now. So I'm going to do 3 times 10, make sure I'm recording over here, and I subtract what I find, and I'm left with 12. Now, this 12 is friendly to me because I know 12 is a multiple of 3. So even though I'm not doing one of these numbers anymore, I know my fact fluency through multiplication, and I know 4 times 3 gives me 12. So I'm going to subtract and see that I have no remainder, and my quotient, my answer to this division problem, is going to be after I add up all my totals that I've found. So all these zeros plus 4 gives me 4. 0 plus 2 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. And then bring down my 1. And my answer is 132.